Are you a YouTube content creator and do you want to add your YouTube comments in a systematic record in Google Sheets automatically? Then you are on the correct video. I am a content creator and I post content on my YouTube channel. I want that as soon as a new comment is posted by any of the authors in my YouTube video, I want to keep the record of all the comments in one place so that I can know how much engagement there is occurring in my YouTube channel. And adding all the comments in a systematic row in one place is a very time-consuming part. So now to solve the problem, I have this amazing setup for you. Let me show you how this automation is going to work first. I will post a new YouTube comment on my channel from a different account and check whether automatically the record of that comment is added in my Google Sheets or not. So let me open a different account. So this is one of the videos that I have posted on my YouTube channel, and on this video from a different account, I will now create a comment. Amazing video, I like your content. Okay, so I will post this comment on my YouTube channel now. As you can see from a different account, I've posted this comment on my YouTube video. Now I'm going to open my Google Sheets and show you the record of this person's comment is added in my Google Sheets. So let me open my Google Sheets, and yes, you can see right over here, the comment has been posted successfully. It's from demo12313. You will see this is the same ID. The comment is also the same. Amazing video, I like your content. And this is the YouTube channel of the person who have posted the comment as well. So now as the record has been created successfully in my Google Sheets, this is how this amazing setup is going to work for you as well. You will get the record of the author who have posted the comment as well as the comment in one place automatically. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this setup using Pabbly Connect. I've been using Pabbly Connect for years now to create amazing automations. I've created more than 1,000 automations using Pabbly Connect without facing any error. Okay, so now let me open Pabbly Connect. So now I'm already on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and you will come to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. If you're a new user, simply sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every month to test out the features of Pabbly Connect. Using the task, you can right now create this setup absolutely without paying any cost. So go ahead, sign up for free right now and you create this setup right away. Now if you're planning to purchase a yearly or lifetime plans of Pabbly Connect in order to get unlimited tasks so that you can create amazing automations easily, you can use the code ANGYT to get the instant discounts on the purchase of yearly or lifetime plans right away. The code that you can see on the left side of my screen is added in the description section as well. Go ahead, use the code, purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. I've already logged into my Pabbly Connect account. Go towards this create workflow option next and go to this create using AI option. This is the newly launched feature of Pabbly Connect using which an AI will create the requested workflow that you have. What I want to track my YouTube comments in Google Sheets. So I will share this request towards this AI. As soon as I will do that, it will automatically analyze my request, and now we have to select our trigger. On my YouTube channel, as soon as a new comment is going to be added, automatically in my Google Sheets, I want to create the record. So this is my request. I will approve and create this workflow from here. Now let's build the connections and the entire setup will be done. Over here in our trigger YouTube, click on this connect button, go towards this add new connection option and go towards this sign in with Google option. Select the account with the help of which you have created your YouTube channel and then give the access to this account, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the channel, I have created a channel in the name of test channel, so I will select that channel from the drop down and I want one comment at a time in the response. I will select max results as 1. Now next it says save and send test request button. As soon as you will click on this button, the last comment that was posted on your YouTube channel is going to be captured in the response right here. So before that, using another account, I will post a new comment on one of my posted videos. So this is another video that I've posted on my YouTube channel. Now let's create a comment on this video right over here as well. Okay, so let me scroll down. So now I will post another comment that is beautiful flower. So I'm going to post this comment right over here on this video. As soon as I will do that, now I'm going to go back to my workflow and click on the save and send test request button. As soon as I will do that, you will see I've received a response. That's a positive response and the same comment beautiful flowers has been captured in the trigger. So as now we have received the response, YouTube is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now remember one thing, instantly the comment record is not going to be created in our Google Sheets. Why? Because YouTube is a polling based application. It will collect the data from our YouTube channel to trigger according to the trigger time that you have selected. Right click right here, go to the set trigger time option, select the trigger time from 10 minutes to 24 hours according to your requirement minus 10 minutes. So in every 10 minutes my trigger is going to search for the new data on my YouTube channel and capture the response by itself. So that is why instantly the record won't be created. Okay, it will take some time. Now after that, let's add the comment in our Google Sheets. Click on this connect button. I will select the existing connection from before, create the connection like I've told you before. Click on the save button. Now next it is going to ask us to select our spreadsheet and the sheet. I've created a spreadsheet in the name of YouTube comments and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I will select those details from the drop down. After selecting the details, you can see the headers, author name, author channel and the comment. These are the same headers that you will see in our Google Sheet step as well. Now let's create the record under the headers. We are going to map the data right here. Where you want to map the data, add a slash, search for the author name, and this is the author display name that I want to create as a record. So I will select the data from my previous response. That makes this data mapped as well as dynamic. Now whenever a new response is going to be captured of a new comment in our previous step, that new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In this similar manner, I will map the data of the channel right over here. So I will map the data of the channel URL, and lastly I'm going to map the data of the original comment that I have received. Okay, and click on the save and send test request button. Now as I've done that, I've received this response, and in your Google Sheets you will see the record of the same comment has now been created. This means the connection between YouTube and Google Sheets is now created. Now whenever on a YouTube channel a new comment is going to be posted by any of the viewers, automatically the record of the viewers details as well as the comments will be created in Google Sheets systematically. Now there will be no manual data entry, there will be no error entry. You can create the setup absolutely very easily. Okay, so now if you have questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. The workflow link, the free template of this workflow that I've taught you in this video, is added in the description section as well. The code ANGYT, use it if you are purchasing our yearly or lifetime plan. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.